If you join the violet color and if the result shows 0 or 5, then you will get total 441 rupees. And if you join red color, if the result is 0, you will get 147 rupees. And if result shows 2468, then you will get total 196 rupees as a reward. And if you select a number from 0 to 9 and the same number appear as outcome, then you will get total 882 rupees. Now I will join red color for 3 minutes and I will place my bet here. For that, click on join red and then set the amount according to your balance and then select the numbers and then confirm this bet. Here you can see balance is deducted, and when the counting down time will expire, then scroll down the screen to check the result in game record. Here you can see I won this bet and amount is credited in my wallet. In the same way, you can place your bet on different color on different number and you can enjoy the profit. Now you will get to know how you can bind your bank account detail. That will be help you to transfer your amount from Fibo account to your bank account. For this, first you need to set a payment password that will be of 4 digits. So select a 4-digit password and then click on sure. Payment password is set successfully, and now you have to bind your bank card details. Click on add bank cards and here you have to enter bank name, beneficiary name that is your name, and then bank account number, bank city name, IFSC code, email address and phone number, and then bank province and a branch name of the bank, and then the 4-digit payment password that you have set. Before going to submit these details, verify it once correctly and then click on the sure option and this detail will be added. Now I will show you how you can withdraw the amount from this account to your bank account. For that, click on the withdraw option and then you will be asked to enter the withdraw amount, the amount that you want to withdraw from this account to your bank account, and then it will ask you to enter the payment password that is 4-digit password that you have set already. So enter the board detail and then click on confirm and withdraw amount will be credited in your bank account. And before going to withdraw the amount from this account to your bank account, or before going to perform any recharge, you need to consult customer service regarding any transaction. Now let's see how you will get commission by inviting your friends. Click on invitation icon to share the link of this application with your friend. You will get 200 rupees when you will invite your friend and they will perform minimum recharge of 500 rupees. And they are required to bind the bank card details and they need to place the bet. Scroll down the screen to copy the promotion link of this application. Let me talk about the commission benefit that you will get when you will invite more and more of your friends. When you invite a friend to join and invest more than 500 rupees and make a bet and bind your personal bank details, and then you will withdraw cash, you can get a commission reward of 200 rupees. When you invite 100 friends, then for one successful invitation you will receive 200 rupees. It means if you invite 100, then 100 into 200 is equal to 20,000 rupees, and also you will receive 26,000 rupees as additional reward. It means total reward of 46,000 rupees you will get. And when you will invite these 100 peoples and they will bet 1000 rupees each times and 3 times in a day, then the total turnover will reach at 3 lakhs. According to the Fibo rebate rules, you can withdraw 0.4% of the rebate and you don't have to do anything every day. You can get 12,000 rupees rebate, and also you will get 12,000 into 30, that is 36 lakh rupees in 1 month. So the conclusion is invite more friends and enjoy the more profit.